What can go wrong in your Volkswagen's exhaust system in Rowlett? Exhaust system is an important part of the Volkswagen that can remove the harmful gases produced from the engine. During the combustion process, the burnt fuel are producing carbon dioxide and nitrogen oxide gases. A small problem within the exhaust system of your Volkswagen can quickly turn into a bigger problem. When it happens, you will notice smoke pouring out of the tailpipe with a bad odor and a loud roaring sound. The following points define the common exhaust system problems found in Volkswagen. Decrease engine power and acceleration. Moreover, the most common signs of a failed exhaust system in your car are decreased engine performance, reduced engine power, poor acceleration problems. If you are not addressing the exhaust leak, then the problem will worsen over time. Burning smell from the engine bay. Thus, the heat from the exhaust gases is burning several parts off the exhaust system and fails the head gasket. Eventually, you will find that the burning parts of the exhaust system are producing a burning smell. Loose exhaust pipe. If the brackets which are holding the tailpipe are damaged, then it will drag the exhaust pipe to the ground. When it happens, it will damage several parts of the car quickly through vibration. Reduce fuel mileage. Due to the small problem within the exhaust system, the fuel efficiency of the engine is reduced. At this point, the car works very harder for achieving its desired performance and needs a huge amount of fuel. Noisy engine. Another common signs of exhaust problems in Volkswagen are the excessive noisy engine. Due to the failed exhaust manifold gasket, the exhaust is leaking and sounds like a hissing or tapping sound. Conclusion. Due to age and use, the exhaust system in your Volkswagen will damage and filled with corrosion. If the exhaust system is failed in your Volkswagen, then consult a mechanic to diagnose the causes behind the problem and fix it accordingly.